Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Zengo. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Zengo application. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your wallet. There, in the bottom of your screen, you can see a menu bar. Tap on the middle of your menu bar. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen. Then you can see Buy option. Click on Buy. Then you can see Bitcoin on Popular section. Click on Bitcoin, then click to continue. From here you can enter your purchase amount, review and confirm, select the payment method. Zengo offers various payment methods for buying crypto which might differ depending upon your region. Depending on your chosen payment method and region, Zengo might require additional verification step. This could involve ID verification or proof of address. Once everything is confirmed, proceed with finalizing the purchase. Zengo will process your payment and credit the equivalent amount of Bitcoin to your Zengo wallet. This is how you can buy Bitcoin in Zengo. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.